I messed up my first YouTube video. Not just a little, completely. Echoing in your head, you look at the footage. It feels important. Like this could be the start of something. The pauses feel longer. Your voice sounds different. The energy feels off. And you don't know what to fix first. So you do nothing. But it doesn't. Until your hand moves. You cut the clip. Right in the middle of a pause. And something shifts. It feels tighter. Cleaner. Like the video is finally breathing. So you do it again. Cut. Then again. It starts making sense. You're not fixing everything. And that changes everything. Then comes silence. Not the good kind. The empty kind. So you add music. Low, in the background. Press play. And suddenly, the same footage feels different. More alive. More intentional. Like it was meant to be watched. You lean closer. You move them slightly. Change the size. Adjust the timing. And now, it feels familiar. Like something you've seen before. But this time, you made it. And for a moment, you think you're done. Export. Watch. And that's when it hits. Something still feels off. Not obvious, but enough to bother you. So you go back, watch again, this time slower. A cut that's too late. A pause that's too long. But they break the flow. You fix them. You just watch, and it holds you, from start to end. Same voice. Same story, but now it feels like a video. You sit back. Export file sitting there. Small. Simple. But different. Because now you know. It was never about adding more. It was about removing just enough. The next time you open that empty timeline, it doesn't feel scary anymore. It feels like something you already know how to start.